Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today let's draw Santa Claus together. First draw a cute round nose right in the middle. Now add Santa's fluffy mustache under it using soft curvy lines. Next draw a happy round face. Then add 2 smiling eyes and bushy eyebrows to make Santa look kind and jolly. Now let's draw his big soft beard with wavy lines like snowy clouds. On top draw a cozy Christmas hat with a bouncy pom-pom. Draw Santa's warm round body. Add his left hand waving hello. Draw a belt across his tummy with a shiny square buckle, and sketch his short little legs. Now let's sprinkle some magical stars floating around Santa. And it's time to color. Paint Santa's hat and body with glittery red. Color his gloves and shoes neatly. Orange to his belt. Paint the stars and belt buckle bright yellow. Give his face a soft light pink glow. And finally add shiny silver to the lower part of his hat. His beard. Mustache. The few parts of his dress to make our Santa sparkle and shine. Ho ho ho. Thanks for watching. Bye.